So as you can see guys, I come around to the back of the van as we've got something special in the back of the van with us. This has changed van life so much. So guys, this is the DYU D3F 14-inch folding bike. And as you saw, it was nice and cosily nestled in the back of our van. It's amazing that we've been able to get such an amazing bike that can fit compactly in the back of our van and we can take on our journeys with us. With van life, it makes a huge difference because sometimes you end up parking outside of town, and to get into town it's quite a walk, so this can make things a bit quicker. Those of you who've been on this channel long enough will know I've had a, let's call it, interesting journey with riding a bike. I'll let you check out the video up in the corner after this video to know exactly what I mean. But with the D3F, it's got a throttle on it, which means it can power you along up to 15.5 miles per hour, which for someone like me, it makes it a lot easier taking pedaling out of the equation. So if you're someone who needs a bit more confidence riding a bike like me, this is the one for you. With a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour, it means you can get about very quickly, and the fact that it weighs only 17 kilograms means you can easily lift it with one hand, which can help you on your commutes if you're going on the train and then traveling on from there, or the bus or somewhere. However, we've found it just going from A to B really handy. It's been really enjoyable getting around this festival, or even when we're at home as well. As you can see right now, the handle is down in the folded position, but to get it back up into position, it's very, very easy to secure it. And then just to adjust the seat by taking off the clamp, adjusting it to the height you want, and putting the clamp back on, and then you're good to go. Turns on very easily with the push of a button, and then you get a little display which shows you the power level. We do have a light at the front here which you can turn on with the other button, and which makes it of course a lot safer for everyone at night. But once you're ready, you can just go. What I really liked about having this on the road with us, it's got a 250 watt electric battery which we can actually charge on our power station here. So it means that we can charge it at home and on the go as well. You also see too guys, it has a very handy kickstand, which is great for me because I'm notoriously bad at standing up bikes and then falling over. DYU have a great range of bikes including this one. I strongly advise you guys check them out. I'll put a link in the description. And you know what, this has changed our life so much, I hope it can do the same for you guys too. Right, should we head around this festival, show everyone all the good stuff they've got?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to collapse this and put this in the back of the van. See how easy this works, guys.